Hello everyone and warm welcome to Blue Star Manufacturing Plant in Ahmedabad. I am Pranav Shah, heading this manufacturing plant. Here we specialize in manufacturing deep freezer and chest cooler in various innovative variants, reflecting our commitment to safety, quality and excellence in every detail. As you embark on this journey with us, remember that safety is our topmost priority. We are dedicated to maintaining a safe, secure and healthy work environment for all. Always remember, safety starts with you. So stay alert, follow our safety protocol and contribute to building a safe and successful workplace. Together, let's prioritize safety at every step of the way.
Please follow the security protocols by showing the vehicle document and driver license to the main gate security. Please park your vehicle at parking area in reverse direction only. Drive your vehicle at safe speed. Please meet main security team for registration and getting permission and identity card to enter inside the plant premises. Meet your respective Blue Star host to take you inside the plant. Please find the environment and health and safety policy which talks about prevention of accidents, prevention of pollution, to comply all the legal requirements, to provide health and safety awareness to all the stakeholders from foreseeable hazards and risks through campaigns and trainings to all the stakeholders including employees, business associates and clients. Ensure appropriate resources are available to implement the EHS policy. Sustainable use of natural resources. We request to pay attention while entering inside the plant. There might be a trip and fall hazard where you need to be more cautious. Always use designated walkway only which is in green color. Do not move away from green color walkway. Please adhere to the personal protective equipments. Safety shoes are mandatory inside the machine areas. Eye protection is mandatory in lid forming and cabinet forming. Hard helmet is mandatory in call shop. Please avoid loose hair and loose cloths inside the machine area. Do not touch any machines, hot surfaces, sharp edges or any rotating parts. Do not enter any restricted area. This site is declared as a no smoking zone. Hold handrails while you are in staircase. Do not use mobile while you are walking inside the factory and while you are in the staircase. Pay attention while opening and closing the doors. Don't carry any chemicals and prohibited items. Photography is strictly prohibited. Use dustbins for waste disposal. This premises is under CCTV surveillance. Please be cautious about material handling equipments like forklifts, box, which are operating inside the factory. Please give an eye contact to the material handling operator to be aware about your presence so that he will clear the way for you. In case of emergency situation, you will hear the emergency alarm which requires immediate evacuation from the plant. Do not panic, do not run, only walk briskly. Approach safe assembly point through nearest emergency exits within 2.5 minutes. Request you to wait at safe assembly point by standing the line until you get the further instructions from site controller, EHS manager. We have the safe assembly points located near to the main gate. This plant is equipped with various fire protection systems like fire extinguishers, fire hydrants, sprinkler systems, detection and alarm systems along with trained emergency response team who can mitigate the emergency situations. In case of any health issues, please reach to in-house occupation health center provided with medical officer, nurse along with basic life support ambulance at round the clock. We also provide first aid box, wheelchairs inside each department to manage the medical emergency situations. These are the Blue Star emergency contact numbers to reach in case of any support assistance required. Please report all the safety concerns, near miss any incidents to Blue Star host or emergency contact numbers. Please follow road safety advisory for you and your family safety when you are outside of the Blue Star premises as well as inside the premises. Seat belts are mandatory for both drivers and passengers. It is advised to wear a helmet for the rider and also pillion rider. Please follow the safe speed at all the times. Do not use the mobile while driving the vehicles. Don't drink and drive. The best gift you can give to your family is to reach home safely. Thank you very much and we wish you very happy and safe visit.